to the college my daughter's liberal been. Feared for our family's values as she dyed her hair again. She said, "Dad, there's a cafe called The Grinder, we should meet. I'll be there after my political biology dance class for a bite to eat." But the sign on the entrance made me clutch my gun in fear. Said, "Front door is broken, use the rear door, buddy dear." My heart skipped a beat, felt a chill run down my spine. But a real man never backs down. I took a breath and went inside. Brownies packed with fudge and sausage on display. This ain't no Cracker Barrel, this ain't my USA. Heard the barista whisper, "I recommend the creamy dream." Sir, I ain't had one of them since my late teens. This Grinder Cafe's got a vibe that ain't sitting right with me. With all this liberal talking fancy food, I can't agree. They're pushing their agenda with every meal, it's clear to see. They even had a sandwich called a beef LT. Ordered up a coffee that they called bottomless brew. The barista winked and said, "If you're hungry, I got something for you. It's a chocolate banana, warm, sweet to taste." Feel like I was dancing naked in a gay pride parade. They had morning glory muffins and glazed sticky buns. Sounds like something scandalous, I only wanted lunch. But it seems that everything in here is code for something queer. But it seems that everything in here is gay, but only to my ear. And then I saw the loaded Long John extra whip on top, and the Slurp Supreme milkshake that just wouldn't stop. Heard all the specials are always sausage from a waitress with a smirk. Thought she was propositioning for some after didn't work. But then I saw the chef, a bear of a man, muscles rippling in a frying pan. Suddenly the waitress's words took a different twist. "I don't want no sausage from that huge son of a..." Brownies packed with fudge and sausage on display. This ain't no Cracker Barrel, this ain't my USA. Heard the barista whisper, "I recommend the creamy dream." Sir, I ain't had one of them since my late teens. This Grinder Cafe's got a vibe that ain't sitting right with me. With all this liberal talking fancy food, I can't agree. They're pushing their agenda with every meal, it's clear to see. They even had a sandwich called a BLT. This Grinder Cafe's just too liberal for a country boy like me. I'd homeschool my daughter, but a man like me can hardly read.